Good morning, folks. It's time for the workshop walk around. It's Friday and it's the time that everybody craves and needs in their life, it seems. So I'm a bit late on putting it in today. So thanks for reminding me that I haven't done one yet. Right, let's have a quick goose it at what's in. Right, so we've got this. This is a basic service. Just about to start that one. I've made a bit more progress this morning on Fox's Monster. What have I done? I've relocated the brake linkage that wasn't bolted on because he's fitted all the headlight mount and bits and bobs. Anyway, that's all sorted. So that's done, and I've fitted the indicator connectors, new indicator connectors. Neil's taking care of Isaac's beautiful machine. This is for a Z758. It's for, what's it for? Oh, a pair of tyres, obviously, the wheels out, and a service, I believe. John's still waiting for the paint to come back. We've got a gent just move. Just give me a second in, I'll be right with you. I'm just doing the Friday workshop walk around to keep everybody entertained. Andy's ZX7R. Good news on that. We've received a new fuel tap, so that should be on if I get a chance to fit that, and that'll be all sorted. Nix is waiting in the wings. We've had a fresh tyre delivery, and pretty much, oh, there's Darren's GSX here as well. So that's all sorted, ready to go. That's it, that's pretty much it. So we're getting on top of things. The workshop is quite empty to what it has been recently, but Saturday's looming tomorrow, so we'll have a few more in. Right, I'm going to get that counter and say thanks for watching. We'll see you later in the next one. It's Friday, you know what that means? Hey! Woo!